What do you do when your TV won't turn on after pressing the power button? Well, that's exactly what happened with this Samsung TV. So I opened the TV, took out my multimeter, and I found that the main fuse was blown. Oh hey look, this capacitor is also blown, which means I'll have to remove it from the circuit. That also means I'll have to replace a MOSFET chip. What do you want me to try and fix next? Leave a comment down below. And after all that work, the fuse is still blown, so I'll have to replace that too. But after all that is replaced and everything is plugged in, we can see if it works. Now that's a good looking TV.